Okay, hang on. All right, I'm recording now. Okay, so hang on. So we got. There's a recorder. Got a recorder here. Got a recorder here. And we got a broken iPad. No, I'm just kidding. Okay. Whenever is all your people ready? Are all your people ready?
Okay.
What?
Okay. It won't break. And everybody ready?
Yes. That's a big grip tie.
Initiating.
And now.
10.10.
Initiating.
The bad part is that I missed the wave being released. All right. So tell me what. Hang on. So let me get it over here. So what are you doing?
We're making waves with different amounts of energy to find out their amplitude.
Okay. All right. So what's your job?
I'm putting energy into the wave.
Could you show me what you do?
So I pull this back and the more I
So what would be a low energy wave?
10.
Ah, so you're using different measurements. And what would be a high energy wave? Okay, so could you let it go to see what it does? All right, cool.
And then one.
Yes.
We've already gotten all our videos, and I'm not taking any data. Can we delete them?
Yeah. All right, so tell me, what are you doing?
I'm recording with the iPad to figure out the amplitude at a certain point.
Okay, so could you show me what you're doing on the iPad?
Oh,
No, yeah, just show me. I know you're recording, but show me what you're doing after
take the
you're recording.
recording and then I backtrack it and figure out where the highest point of which mark, and then I count the marks up to figure out the amplitude.
Okay, all right, cool. And so what are you doing?
I do the same thing.
Okay, so you stop the video there, and you've determined the size of the amplitude.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, hey, Spicer, what are you doing?
I record time and almost break iPads.
Okay, I'm glad you almost and not actually break them. Oh, here we go. And what's your job?
I record the front part to make sure that she's accurate with her.
Make sure she's accurate. Okay. All right. So listen. So you've gathered some data so far. I'm asking you this. Okay. You've gathered some data so far. So what do you think the relationship between the two are?
The higher amount that you put it up is the more amplitude it has.
Okay. Cool. All right. Yeah. Get all this stuff off. Back it up. Move the iPad. Okay. Here we go. What is this? Is this 30?
This is 30.
All right. 30. Last one.
Is everybody ready? Oh, wait, no.
Okay. So we got a recorder there. We got a recorder here.
Initiating end. 3.
Ready? Is everybody ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
There, I got a good record.
Okay, so I'm gonna come over here and ask you guys. So what have you found out? So what happens when you increase the energy you put into a wave?
It increases the amplitude.
It increases it.
And the longer it goes through the string, wire, spring, I guess, the lower the amplitude is because it's
Amplitude 1 is 15.
Oh, so is the time increasing or decreasing?
It's increasing. It's increasing. The more energy you give it, the longer. I got 19 to get 14.
Okay. Here's a question. All right, I'm gonna ask you, Anna. Why is their times greater?
They might be doing something different.
That you think they're doing something different? Okay. Why do you think their time's different? Their times are a little bit less than yours.
Maybe the way that the first class measured.
Okay.
Maybe it's the way when the person's touching it. Maybe we're touching it later because we're waiting for it to stop completely.
Okay.
Or we have our thumb here.
That.
Hello.
So why do you think your all's times are different than their times?
We're not waiting till it stops.
You're not waiting till it stops completely?
I mean, maybe there might have been a little more, and they have more attention to detail.
Attention to detail. What about more or less tension on the spring? Do you think that would be different?
Yes.
Could it be different? Could the spring? Well, I don't know. Did you measure them?
I mean, they're relatively the same
Well, it could be
size.
based on if they don't
Relatively?
pull
Do you
it
think
back.
a string in the string being stretched? would
Yes,
make a
because if
difference?
it's here and they stretch it more, like a couple more than that, then maybe it makes it
Maybe human error within the centimeter.
Okay, I've got you on the interview here. Oh, here you go. Let me come on this side. Bad lighting. Okay, here we got Reagan. Reagan, tell me, what is all this data? What are you doing?
We are measuring waves. We're trying to measure the amplitude and the time based on pulling them back to a certain amount on the graduated.
Okay, so what is pulling them a certain amount back? What is that? What is that doing?
We're increasing the amplitude of it to see how it measures. I have to record now.
Okay. Are you increasing the amplitude, or Adele? What are you increasing when they pull it back? What are they increasing? The energy, and then they're going to find out what the relationship between the energy and the amplitude of a wave is. So I know all the data is not in, but what does it look like? What's the relationship between the two?
17. The more energy put in, the higher the amplitude.
The more energy put in, the higher the amplitude. That makes a lot of sense.